So since we've got all the pipes in, it's time to close up those gaps now. Alright, this is how it looks. And here's how that wall looks that we just finished as well, from the other side. Nice. So we've divided the space up now, completely. And we've only got a couple of smaller walls to do. Alright, so what I didn't mention, what I forgot to mention, is that this cement is insulating. So that's why we're using it around the pipes, to make sure that there's an extra additional layer of insulation. This one's basically done now. But in the meantime, Pip's been gluing in the housing of the underfloor heating and for the cooling system with foam. Just finishing those off. But things are looking good. We're pretty much ready for our plumber. Hopefully he will arrive this week. Just messing around with the oven. That's the chimney pipe, and we've moved it out of the way now because we've got another hole to drill. Of course there's another hole to drill because there is a underfloor heating circle coming in here, or four of them. In this downstairs section, bathroom, bedroom and living area, and of course the hallway, so there's 4 circles coming in, and then that's where the kind of cupboard for the pipes are coming. And then we just got to finish off connecting these, and then we can put the oven back and continue heating. But it's actually quite warm in the house today, 7 degrees, which is not too bad considering we haven't heated. It's a little bit warmer today. We've come out of the minus and we're now in the plus, just. So, yeah, good. And what I did yesterday has dried nicely overnight. All of this nice solid in place, so that is good. And better crack on.